If you're anything like me, your desk probably has a laptop charger, a phone charger, maybe another charger for your tablet, and somehow they're all fighting for space. So when I saw the UGREEN 8-port 200 watts GaN charger, I was curious. 6 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 200 watts of total output. On paper, this sounds like the ultimate all-in-one charging hub. But is it actually practical for daily use? Let's talk about it. First thing I noticed, this looks really clean. It has a very minimalistic design that blends perfectly with modern desk setups. Whether you're running a Mac setup, a Windows workstation, or a mixed creator desk, it doesn't look bulky or out of place. The matte finish looks premium and it doesn't attract fingerprints easily. Now, here's something I really like: flexibility. It comes with a stand so you can place it vertically, which saves desk space. But it also has rubber feet on the bottom, so you can remove the stand and use it horizontally if you prefer. That's actually more useful than it sounds. Depending on your cable setup or shelf height, having both options makes a difference. And the included 2-meter AC power cord gives you enough length to position it comfortably on your desk instead of being stuck right next to the wall socket. Now, let's talk about the main reason you would buy this: the 200 watts output. The top USB-C port can deliver up to 100 watts, which is enough to fully power most laptops like MacBook Pro, Dell XPS, and other USB-C laptops. I tested it powering my MacBook while charging my iPhone and my iPad at the same time, and everything charged at expected speeds. What makes this charger smart is its dynamic power allocation. Instead of fixed outputs, it automatically redistributes power depending on what's plugged in. So if only one laptop is connected, it gets full power. Add more devices and it intelligently balances like 65 watts, 45 watts, 30 watts across ports. You don't need to think about which port is the fast one. It adjusts automatically. And because it uses GaN technology, it runs surprisingly cool for something pushing this much power. That's impressive for a 200-watt desktop charger. So is charging 8 devices actually practical? Well, technically, yes. You can charge 8 devices at once. Realistically though, it's most useful for 1 to 2 laptops, 2 to 3 phones, tablets, and accessories like earbuds or a Steam Deck. For a home office or a content creator desk, this replaces multiple bricks quite easily. When it comes to safety and reliability, this charger offers good safety features. Whenever you're plugging in expensive devices, safety matters. This charger includes overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, temperature monitoring, and short circuit protection. Throughout my testing, I didn't notice overheating even under heavier loads, which gives confidence in daily use. So who this charger is for? This isn't for someone who just charges one phone overnight. This is for desk setups with multiple devices, remote workers, content creators, families sharing one charging station, and anyone who wants a clean minimal desk. If that sounds like you, it makes a lot of sense. Here are a few things that you should consider before investing in this charger. It's not a travel friendly charger. This is meant to stay on your desk. And it's a premium product, so expect a higher price. But those aren't deal breakers if you're specifically looking for a high powered desktop hub. After using it, I would describe the UGreen 8-port 200-watt GaN charger as a serious desk upgrade. It's powerful, it's clean looking, it reduces clutter, and the flexible vertical or horizontal placement is a small but thoughtful design touch. If you have multiple devices and want one central charging station instead of 5 different adapters, this absolutely delivers. So that's my experience with the Ugreen 200-watt 8-port charger. So would you replace all your chargers with one hub like this? Let us know in the comments below. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.